Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So this video is going to be about hobby, and in this video I am going to list down few hobbies which I personally feel, according to the trends on Instagram, you can use to set up a home-based business, and this business can help you generate a side income.
3, 2, 1.
So on number 1 I have put embroidery. This is one of the most conventional form of hobby where you have endless opportunity to create products like hoops, customized handkerchiefs, bed sheet, linen covers, different home decor products. On number 2 we have painting that you can use to create a number of articles that can be sold easily on Instagram. One of the most trending articles is the painted dupatta. On number 3 we have macrame. These are so viral on Instagram. You can use to create stunning wall pieces. The best use comes in making planters. You can use your creativity to the best. Next up we have baking. I know it's a bit practice intensive, but you can start small, like with making cookies and cupcakes. Later you can progress on to making cakes. Good luck. Next up on number 5 we have candle making. For this you will need a basic starter kit and little hands-on practice with adjusting the temperatures while pouring and everything, and you can create beautiful, aesthetically pleasing candles that are never out of style, perfect for gifting and hamper. Moving on to number 6 we have crochet. This is another age-old hobby that has now taken Instagram by storm. You can create toys, flowers and so much more. All you have to do is use your imagination and creativity and come up with a product better than what is existing. On number 7 we have Raisin Art. So this is the latest craft on Instagram that has gone viral. This is used widely in flower preservation for creating memories. So the last article we have is scrunchies that have been in trend on Instagram for last few years, और आगे भी कुछ सालों तक ये रहने वाला ही है. So this was my list of turning your hobbies into business. Do share your review. Good luck and thanks for watching.